to all of you. I am Manshu and today I am talking about Mother Earth. I want to talk about the present condition and the future of the Mother Earth. I just want to ask a very simple question. What is Mother Earth? I know everybody knows that the real meaning of Mother Earth. There is a place where we all come to live and we use its resources. We use its resources, it has no problem. But when we cross our limit, it punishes us. It is like our mother. When we do any mistake, it punishes us. Wildlife, natural resources, natural disasters, cyclone, earthquake, storm, etc. And now I talk about the present condition of Mother Earth. You must have seen in cities there are more swimming pools. According to a survey, in per day they waste 1,000 liters of water, and the companies throw their garbages to ocean and rivers. The species of the ocean eat this plastic and polythenes, and they died just because of human beings. They do not have any fault. They just died because of mankind. I saw in many countries the peoples leave the forest at the fire because they want to a place where they make our home, and government also want their place because they want to make their buildings and for their own profit. The Mother Earth gives us many things to eat, but the many peoples of the earth eats animals. The burden of the sinners increase on earth. That's why the natural disaster keeps coming. In these disasters, many peoples were died. And at the end of my speech, I want to tell you, if you want to save your generation, you have to change yourself. Mother Earth gives us, Mother Earth provide enough. Every man we needs, but he did not complete our greed. That's it. Thanks for providing our time. Thank you.